Membership operators. Membership operators means checking if given element is part of a sequence or not. Membership operators are in, not in. Let's take an example. Tuple 1 equal to within parentheses 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 is part equal to 5 in tuple 1. Print of is part. Let's run it. See, the output is false. In this example, I am giving 1 not in tuple 1 instead of in. Let's run it. See, the output is false. Checking list membership. Let's take an example. List 1 equal to within square brackets 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 is part equal to 1 in list 1. Print of is part. Let's run it. See, the output is true. Checking string membership. Let's take an example. Word equal to within quotes Python is part equal to within quotes th in word. Print of is part. Let's run it. See, the output is true.